Let me show you my very recent Indian girl makeup look. Let's have a look. Firstly, I would like to go with my daily lip balm from Purple. It does contain SPF. Then this toner from Biotic. It is a cucumber toner. It is so refreshing for the skin, whether it's winters or summers. I use it all the year long. Then it is niacinamide serum. What the best thing I like about the serums, that they do get into your skin without any external efforts. And yeah, I does like this serum. This is from Dermaco. And then I would go with the Clinique Moisture Surge 100-hour variant, and to be very honest, it is not so differentiated from the 75 hours of moisture. Still, I did spend on it. I have to use it. Then it comes from Glenmark. This is a sunscreen. It is a moisture plus sunscreen, and it is so lightly formulated. I didn't like the formula because I am going to be shooting outside, so that's why I have to use something, a thick layer of sunscreen. So here I am using Aroma Magic sunscreen. It's a really nicely formulated sunscreen. You can use it in day, and you can use it daily as well, underneath the makeup as well. Now it comes the Lakme 9 to 5 variant BB cream. It is so lightly formulated that I have to mix a little bit of color corrector with it for my skin. What I do firstly with this BB cream is that to mix my color corrector with it, and then I use it as a color corrector, and then I use it as my foundation because I cannot use heavy foundations because I'm not a proper makeup artist. So here I use this, and I think it's the best product when it comes to makeup for the teenagers. Heading on to the best part about this baby cream is that it blends so easily, and for the teenagers it may be a little bit difficult or a task for them to blend their foundations, but now it is so much easy with this BB cream. It blends so easily, it looks so flawless. I do like the finish. Now for the under eye, what I'm gonna do is to take some loose powder and apply it on my under eyes for my makeup to stay longer, as it will fill the creases under my eyes, and yeah, it will make it look more flawless. Dark circles are gone. And now I would like to introduce my eyeshadow palette with you guys. I would be cleaning it soon. I'm so sorry about this for the unhygienic thing I'm showing it on camera. To be very honest, doing eyebrows with brush is really cool, as it looks so real, and it happens the minimalist. Now I would like to go with a darker shade onto my corners of the eyebrows and lighter shade into the inner corners. Doing my eyebrows is such a big task for me as well, as I do not do it on regular basis. I do it with makeup only, and I do not apply makeup on regular basis. When now it's done, I'm so happy about it. I do like the shape, I do like the color, and yeah, it looks natural. So let me try singing. Koi kaise उन्हें समझाए सजनिया के मन में अभी नकार है जाने बलमा घोड़े पे क्यों सवार है. Oh, it was so difficult. Yeah, it is difficult. No, I'm not a voice changer, but let's continue with the video first. यहाँ पे eyeliner थोड़ा ख़राब हो गया, टेढ़ा हो गया. Then I tried to fix it. अब ये फिक्स नहीं हो रहा है, बट स्टिल आई वुड नॉट गिव अप. मगर हो गया है अब, बट वो इतना पता भी नहीं चलेगा बाद में. आई नो अबाउट इट. ठीक है, तो इसी तरह से मैंने सेकंड आई पे भी ऐसे ही कर लिया. वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट था, तो इसलिए पहले पॉइंट किया, एंड देन आई कंटिन्यूड विद लाइनिंग इट अप. आफ्टर दैट आई सी कि ये तो थोड़ा सा फ्लैट हो गया है, नॉट दैट विंग्ड एज आई डिड इन द प्रीवियस आईलिड, बट स्टिल आई वुड नॉट गिव अप. यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग से ही लाइनिंग करते हुए लाइनर बना दिया. यू नो अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट आई डो नॉट नो हाउ टू पुट लाइनर, इसलिए मैं बहुत रेयर लाइनर लगाती हूँ, बिकॉज उसमें चांसेस होते हैं पूरा मेकअप ख़राब होने के. बिकॉज लाइनर कुड बी द बेस्ट और द वर्स्ट थिंग you can do with your makeup. So here I want to give you a suggestion that if you do not know how to apply liner correctly, so please avoid it, skip it, because it it may cause you to the worst results ever. Now here I'm lining it up with a little shimmery shade of the eyeshadow palette, which goes well with my look. Now we'll head on to the blush application. For blush, I did go with a Lakme lipstick, but it didn't go well. Hence I have to fix it and then move on to my highlighting part. Here I am highlighting my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose and whatnot. And yeah, as much as I can, I love highlighters. Coming back to my Indianness, again I would go with the kajal. Yes, as I said before, I want to keep this look simple and subtle, but without kajal, Indian look cannot be matched. Applying white kajal in the waterline and black kajal just below it makes the eyes look more bigger and look more prettier. By the way, this makeup video doesn't end here, as the main ingredient in the dish, or you can say the favorite part of mine when it comes to Indian makeup, bindi, was left.